You don't know, you know. I'm a lady and the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. A Jamaica from the outside. And I'm a lady and the first lady of reggae dancehall. I endorse it. I always say to them, one out of a many connection. One out of a many connection. I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm in New York. Yes, guys, I'm in New York. And I have forgotten how beautiful New York is in the summer. Today I'm in Times Square and I'm just driving around on a mission to uncover the vibrant Jamaican culture that permeates this bustling metropolis. I'm hoping that you guys will join me and stay with me throughout this video as I navigate the lively streets, seeking out hidden gems and unique experiences that showcase the richness and diversity of the Jamaican culture. Anything that would showcase our lovely culture, from mouth-watering cuisine to pulsating music and dance, there's no shortage of exciting discoveries to be made in this vibrant community here in Times Square. Guys, let's dive in and discover the best of Jamaican culture together in this amazing streets of Times Square. Guys, we're here in Times Square and I don't know what's going on, but we're about to find out. Here is the Jamaican area that I'm seeing. Hello, how are you?
Good, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's going on? Can you tell us?
Well, right now we're having a Bryant Park fair. They do like street fair, so they do like this every weekend. They keep different fairs all over in Manhattan.
Oh.
All over. So we come out, we do like promotion. They sell food, stuff like, you know what I mean? They sell clothing.
Okay.
They sell jewelry. There's still a lot of stuff. So we are the support of the vendoring.
Okay.
Otherwise, from the restaurant we here, we sell different type of food. We sell Jamaican food.
Okay.
And we just make it work, you know what I mean?
And it's every weekend?
Yes, every weekend during the summer.
Oh, during the summer. So you're going to go on through July and August?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
And you're always in the same spot here?
No, we go all over in Manhattan,
Oh,
Brooklyn,
different.
Queens.
Okay.
So every weekend there's a different location.
Different. Gotcha. Understood. So, guys, it's the Bryant Park.
Fun street day. So they do different street fairs.
Okay. So who do you represent?
I represent J&J Jerk Cuisine
J&J. And where is J&J located?
in Mineola.
In where?
In Long Island. Mineola.
Long Island. Oh, okay. So you want to show us what you're selling today?
Definitely. A quick peek. So
Guys, it's
rice
Jamaican food. Okay. Rice and peas,
steamed veg,
steamed cabbage,
oxtail,
curry goat, looking good.
jerk pork,
Guys. Okay.
escabeche fish,
Scovitch fish,
mac and cheese. We have the white rice.
We have white rice.
We have jerk chicken over here also.
Jerk chicken. Awesome.
Original way from here.
Oh, that's it. And over here, guys, this is where the action takes place.
Right there.
All right here, guys, right here in this. So you do it right here on spot.
Right here on spot.
Wow.
Jerk the chicken, jerk the pork. We do everything right here. This is the brand right here.
Wow.
it out. Follow us
So
on
guys,
Instagram.
J&J, and follow you on
Instagram right here.
Instagram, guys. Guys, you see it. Awesome. And how has the support been today?
It's been good. It's been good. We have a lot of people that turn out. We have a lot of customers that returned from yesterday.
Yes.
We have people that really been supporting over the years. So it's just been grateful and just been
Okay.
thankful. You know what I mean?
So,
That we're
so you've been here since when? Since Saturday?
We've been here. Yes,
Saturday, okay.
We come yesterday. We're here from 9 till 6. Today from 9 till 6 also.
9 to 6.
Yeah.
And next week, do you know already where you're going to be next week?
No. The schedule is out, but I haven't booked as yet.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so there's that. Okay.
Yes.
Guys, so this is J&J, and we're in Times Square, New York. All right, guys, this is so amazing. Thank you so very much, guys.
welcome.
Let's say thank you. Guys, this is another area as well. Another Jamaican area. See them having their jerk here as well. And they're selling Jamaican food. Just the same. Cabbage, rice and peas, oxtail, mac and cheese, rye plantain, jerk chicken. Yes, so yes guys, it's another. Hi, I'm just looking at what you have. How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks. Yes, just looking at what you have. How has the day been going for you?
Good so far.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, yes, fine. Look at this, guys. Isn't that chicken looking so good? Hello. Just saying hi.
Hi.